In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitch on the Nintendo Switch 2. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the main menu, then you want to go to the bottom menu just like so, and go ahead and select on System Settings. Once you're over here, you just want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see Internet, then go ahead and press on Internet Settings. And we need to make a few adjustments to our Internet settings in order to access a web browser, and then from that web browser, we actually are able to get Twitch. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on your current Wi-Fi network. So if you're watching this video, you should already be connected to a Wi-Fi network. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it. Then you want to go ahead and press on change settings. Once you're over here, you just want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says DNS settings. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and change it from automatic to manual. From here, you want to go ahead and press on primary DNS IPv4. So please go ahead and select on that. And you'll notice that it is going to be a bunch of zeros. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just delete all those zeros. And instead of those zeros, you want to have these particular numbers. So you want to go ahead and put in these exact numbers: 0, and then 4, 5, and then dot, and then 0, 5, 5, another dot, and then 1, 4, 2, another dot, and then 1, 2, 2. Then from here, you just want to go ahead and press on OK. And once you have that done, then you just want to go ahead and press on save. Then it will now say settings have been saved. And now what it is going to do, it is going to go ahead and start searching for networks one more time. So just go ahead and wait for that to load in. And this time you want to go ahead and select on your network, and then you want to go ahead and press on connect to this network. It is then going to bring you a menu that looks like this. It will say connecting to the internet, and it is actually going to fail, but that is supposed to happen. That is normal, so do not worry. You will notice that it will say this network requires user registration. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on OK, and now it is going to go ahead and redirect you to a menu that looks like this, and then at the very top, you want to go ahead and press on go to Google. Then from here, we now have access to Google on the Nintendo Switch 2. And from here, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just look up Twitch just like so. So let's go ahead and do that. And yep, it is like towards the auto suggestion area. Then you want to go ahead and press on OK. And we actually do have a cursor as well, which is another really cool thing as well. And honestly, it does take some time getting used to the web browser. But all you want to do is you want to go to the official twitch.tv website from here. And yeah, once you're here on Twitch, then you guys are able to go ahead and log in, and then from there, you are good to go. Now, I will warn you guys, the Nintendo Switch 2 really is not optimized for Twitch. So if you encounter like any bugs or glitches whenever you're trying to log in or watch a stream, that could be why. So please just keep that in mind. And as you're able to tell, it actually is pretty slow. So just keep that in mind before you try watching stuff on the Nintendo Switch 2. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.